Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to easily replace any attached image or file in your WordPress website. So download and install and activate this plugin, Enable Media Replace. This is the popular and famous and useful plugin. As we can see here, a large amount of active installation. So just install and activate and use it. If you have any query, so comment, I will try to resolve that query. So thanks for watching, and in this basic and short video I discover more and more useful plugin for WordPress users. So this is the best plugin to replace media or file in WordPress website. Please share, like and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos.